Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aidel bin Muhammad Noor S59050. And then today, my teammate and I want to present about our e-commerce business, My Clothing Store Smiles. We are from Group 14 K1 from subject Digital E-commerce. Okay, so next, there is my team members. Me, Muhammad Aidel bin Muhammad Noor, and then my teammates KARTINA binti KAMARUDDIN, LIYANA MAISARAH binti ARNAS. And then for the first business statement, our main goal is to make sure user or customer will use my website to buy any type of clothing. Customer will use our website as compared to other clothing website. And then for second, Smile will provide the best service for customer. We hope we can make sure that customer enjoy shopping on our store website. Keep customer happy is our company main goal. And then Smile store will getting and staying profitable. And then we hope we can make sure that the revenue stay ahead of the cost of doing business. And then for next, Smile will focus on reach the right customer. So company will create more advertising and make survey to get customer input on product change, and we hope we can understand consumer buying trend. And then next for introduction to Smile. Okay. So Smile Clothing Store. Smile is an e-commerce online store, and then the main function of the Smile website is to make it a multi-sale site that is suitable to some age regardless of male or female. And then we sell some of the latest type of clothing and follow the trend. And then we provide product for each age group. For example, kid, women and men's. And then Smile website provide service such as customer service, exchange and return, delivery and payment service. And then we hope we can make it easier to customer to buy product quickly. And then for next, wireframe. Okay, so this is for the first wireframe for homepage. And then for second wireframe for main section. And then wireframe for women section. And next wireframe for kids section. And for the last wireframe for product detail.
My name is KARTINA binti KAMARUDDIN. There is some functionality for web server in implementation. First, we have a secure Smile website. Our Smile website utilizes a secure socket layer certificate as seen by the secure URL beginning with HTTPS. Second, the customer can find the website by googling Smile Clothing Store in any search engine. This website will appear on the top of the search result. Third, this Smile website has email functionalities. The system will use email to send our customer up to date on new item or tracking number. When the customer see our email, they will not forget the Smile website. Then we have basic functionality for Smile sales. First, we have add to cart function that is an e-commerce tool that allow customer to choose things to buy without actually paying them. In addition, we have an online payment function. It is a method of paying for product services using online transaction. This method can save a lot of time and energy for our customer. Last but not least, the discount functionality for the Smile sales. Discount may assist Smile in growing the customer base and increasing revenue. It also can make the Smile sales increasing. The e-tailer business model is used by Smile, and it's a business model that implements business-to-consumer model. E-tailers, often known as online retail store, operate similarly to traditional brick-and-mortar businesses, with the exception that making an order requires just an internet connection or the smartphone. The customer benefit from the e-tailer businesses model since they can visit the Smile website anytime they want. A company revenue model outlines how it plans to produce revenue, profit, and superior return on invested capital. Revenue model that Smile use are advertising revenue model. Advertisers pay Smile to give a venue for ads. When Smile already have the greatest audience or can hold user attention, they may demand greater advertising price. Next, we use sale revenue model. To make money, the Smile sell a variety of clothing design for various age groups. The diversity of items the Smile's websites may entice people to purchase there, resulting in increased sales. Demographic target audience is a type of market segmentation based on criteria including family size, religion, gender, age, and more. Customer age 7 and above are the primary target market for the Smile. Then the Smile came up with the concept of selling clothes for both men and women. Lifestyle segmentation is the business practice of dividing an entire market of potential known as market segment based on lifestyle variables such as purchasing preference. The Smile client lifestyle is experiencer. Self-expression motivates this lively and occasionally impulsive client who seek for venues for social activity, both official and informal. The process of person seeking for requirement is referred to the consumption pattern. The customer may purchase things on Smile website by typing the name of this website into a search engine and continuing the shopping process as usually. When making online purchase, it's so convenient to the customer. They do not have to queue in the shop and could complete the shopping in a minute. Knowing the Smiles. The strength of the Smile website are the website is available for 24 hours a day in 7 days a week. Then we provide the good quality of product and services for the customer. In addition, the price of the product is affordable. For the weakness, when we shipping the product, the shipping costs are quite high. Then there are no face-to-face interaction with the customer at the end of the line. Last but not least, sometimes the supplier do not cooperate. The opportunities that Smile can get are the sale can expand to other countries. Moreover, the Smile clothing store was advertising on social media, so we can get more new customers, as well as collaboration with another company or store can increase the sale revenue of both stores. There are threats that the Smiles have to face, such as negative feedback from the customer. The big competitors are putting up a lot of competition, and there are unexpected change in laws and regulation in other countries. This threat will not weaken us. In fact, we take this opportunity to fix the weakness of our Smile clothing store.
Hi, I'm Lana MAISARAH binti ARNAS. Number metric S58334 are going to explain about the computing equipment, method payment, privacy policy, and marketing strategies. We need computing equipment in order to ensure that the Smile CS business can move smoothly, and it also can help to build a business website and grow our business so that more people know about Smile CS. Computing equipment that we needed are Central Processing Unit, or known as CPU. CPU acts as the brain in the computer. It has many functions, including building the business website, running programs, performing calculations, and so on. Next, we also need graphics adapter. Graphic adapter help our editor to edit the poster for our business website promotions, such as Chinese New Year or Happy Eid Mubarak promotion. So without any lagging, and the program that our editor uses does not stop and can be used smoothly. And lastly, computer equipment that we needed are USB devices. It helps our staff to transfer files to other computers with USB flash disks if the network is down. Next is payment method. The Smile CS has devised a payment mechanism that is appropriate for the nature of our business, while also attracting a large number of customers in order to generate profit and success. There are three payment methods that we use in our business, such as credit card, debit card, and online bank transaction. So for the credit card is one of the most often utilized payment method. It is no surprise that credit cards are popular for online transaction because they are simple to use and generally safe. So the card verification value, or known as CVV, is what makes credit card most secure because the owner of the business can identify fraud by matching cardholder information with the CVV numbers. And then for the debit card payment are also widely used across the world, and they are a close second to the credit card as the most popular payment option for online transaction. The purchasing procedure is the same as credit card, but debit card payment allow the customers to spend just the funds in their linked bank account. And lastly, we have online bank transaction. Online bank transaction, it is safer to use the online banking transaction because the users must approve the transaction before they deduct the money from their account. Last but not least, marketing strategies. There are three types of marketing strategies that Smile CS use, that is offline marketing, online marketing, and social media marketing. For offline marketing, we have newspapers, magazine, and television. Some people might think that offline marketing does not help in growing a business, but actually there is some people out there still read newspapers and magazine, and a lot of people still watch television. For example, when people just got back from work or want to spend their time with their family, they usually spend it in front of the television. And then for online marketing and social media marketing is a marketing that use internet. It also could reach a larger audience, especially for youngsters who have most of the social media, who use most of their time in social media. So Smile CS use both internet-based marketing and non-internet based marketing in order to reach a larger audience.